Want to update your name on your LinkedIn profile, whether you have a name change or you simply just want to change the way how you have your name. I'm going to show you how to update that on your LinkedIn profile. So what, as you can see here, guys, I'm on my phone. So this is how we're going to update it. If you want to learn how to do it on a computer as well, you can check out a playlist for LinkedIn on my channel, and there's a ton of videos showing you how to do that as well. So how do you do that on your phone? All you have to do, click your profile picture in the upper left hand side, tap anywhere there where you have your name, and it's going to take you over to your profile. So what you want to do, simply click the pencil icon towards the upper right hand side, not the one on the banner or the cover, but the one where you have your name details here. Just tap on that pencil icon and it will show you your name, so you can type whatever you want. So if I want to change, for example, my name, not to say little dear, but I can just write, for example, big, I can type, for example, big. And from here, just simply scroll down towards the bottom, click on save, and that's it. As you can see there, it is done, and now you can see that it is updated. And that's all there is to it, guys.